Good, relax that right shoulder. Beautiful. Good. Good, other side. Part besides getting adjusted here is you like the decompression.
Traction.
Traction, yep. Good. What's up guys, Dr. Drew here, back on the channel. Welcome to Forza Chiropractic. If you guys have not seen our videos before, we post daily content from ASMR, Y-strap, ring dinger, all that stuff in between. So we super appreciate you guys hitting that like and subscribe button. It truly helps us reach more viewers. So today I'm here with Katrina. She's been a long-time patient of ours. She's been suffering from a few different things throughout the years, neck pain, lower back pain. She has her flare-ups here and there. But I'm not gonna let Katrina tell her story. She's been an amazing patient and she's got such a great success story. So Katrina, just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself and the things that we do here and your overall improvement.
Sure. So like Dr. Drew said, my name is Katrina. I work an office job, so I'm sitting 8 hours a day. I do have a standing desk option, which I do take after lunch. I usually stand up. I started coming here in 2018, beginning of 2018. I had been in pain for a few months, and I had known that I always had issues with my lower back. So I'm like, I know what to do, blah, 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 it'll just go away. It didn't go away. I woke up one day, put my shoes on for work, and was in immense pain. Went to lay down, and then started calling chiropractors in the area. Just seeing if anybody could get me in. And my husband came home to take me to the appointment, and I ended up on the floor. I ended up in the hospital and then immediately came to the chiropractor after, and I've been coming here ever since. Turns out I have degenerative disc disease in my lower back. It's early stages. I have a sibling who's late stages, and what we're trying to do is prevent that from progressing, and so far so good.
Yeah, you're crushing it. So obviously Katrina's been with us for quite a long time, which we truly appreciate you trusting us with your health. So just an awesome success story. Currently she's in the maintenance phase, so she's coming just twice a month to just maintain, especially with that repetitiveness of sitting, having that IT job, again, that repetitive stress day in, day out, besides commuting to and from work as well. So we're super happy with her success, guys. Watch me adjust her full spine, go through everything in detail, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them below. We're always happy to answer anything like that. All right, so we're gonna stretch Katrina's back out a little bit here, nice and easy. Good. I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful. Good. Good. We're gonna adjust this upper back. Katrina holds a lot of tension here from work all day, what we call the cervical thoracic junction, the CT junction here. Good. Relax that right shoulder. Beautiful. Good. How's your hydration today?
It was decent.
Good. I'm gonna adjust this right hip, so I'm gonna have you lay on your left side. Face me. Good. Good. Go ahead, relax your head. Good. Perfect. Good. Good. Other side. Awesome job. That was super easy. What would you say your favorite part besides getting adjusted here is you like the decompression?
Traction.
Traction, yep. Good. Awesome. We're gonna have you on your back. We're gonna do a little stretch. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little stretch on Katrina. All right. Nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Good. Stay right there. Catch your breath. How do you feel?
Winded.
Catch your breath. Take your time.
Yeah.
Do a big decompression there.
Yeah.
When you're ready, I'll help you come up.
Okay.
Awesome job, though. Massive decompression there, guys. That adjustment or that specific adjustment is going to help elongate the spine and increase the space between the bones, called a disc. So again, come on up, Katrina. Guys, it's been a pleasure as always. Thank you for watching these videos. If you guys love my shirt, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. I'm doing this for you. Shout out to our boys at Grayson for hooking us up, sponsoring the page. Truly help us out by, again, liking, subscribing. Katrina, thank you for trusting us with your health, being a loyal patient, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.